Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can enable Force Dark Mode for your Google Chrome without downloading any external extensions or any extensions at all. So, let's see how it's done. As you can see that this is our Google Chrome. Now, there are a lot of white space even if you enable the dark mode for Google Chrome. As you can see, for example, the Google search page will still be in light mode and many other websites will be in light mode even if you have turned on your Google dark mode from the settings. Let's see which one I'm talking about. If you go to the settings and you click on the appearance tab, you can see that the mode is set to dark. But many of the results and many such pages still appear in light mode. So for that thing, you need to enable the Force Dark mode. So let's see how it's done. Now, this is a developer settings. It's a special feature which can be only accessed using the Chrome Flex. So first let's access the Chrome Flex by clicking on our address bar and writing Chrome and Flex like this. You need to write the exact same thing and then hit the enter button. Once you do, you will land in the experiments tab and all you can see are the special features which can help you achieve a lot of things. But for now, let us focus on the dark mode. Now, just go to the search bar and type DARK dark and you can see the auto dark mode for web contents option. It will be set to default. Now, you need to click on this drop down arrow here and you can see a lot of options. Don't get confused. All you need to do is click on this enabled button. Once you click on it, it will ask you to relaunch your Google Chrome. Once you click on this relaunch, you can see that in the search bar also is now in dark mode and also a lot of pages will be in dark mode from now. This will solve most of your problems and you won't have to see your windows in light mode again. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.